This idiot wants to buy another one.
We're gonna do a thing.
I'm gonna do a thing.
We're gonna do a thing.
Should we buy a third one?
I think so.
You're an idiot. Don't ask. I don't know what's happening. We're buying our third Land Cruiser. Another 94. This one's got lockers. Painted custom color. Added to the family. So we just left Huntington Beach. Jumped on the 405. Heading down to pick up the kids from school. And just made an impulse purchase of the third Land Cruiser. Another 94. Pretty good condition. Interior's clean. Runs well. AC. It's got lockers, which is cool. So, gonna pick it up tomorrow with Denny, who is a terrible influence, crying to buy it. So we did. He's actually on the way to the bank to pick up the money, and I'll go sign the title over tomorrow. Start stripping it, taking it to the body shop for a complete color change. We gotta do a couple little things: new front windshield, new headlights, rear bumper cap, and then a custom paint job. Put it back together, and then go from there. So, beige Land Cruiser done, green Land Cruiser done. Why not do a limited edition? So we will document the entire build in more detail now that we have some more time leading up to the show season. SEMA's passed, so we will document just going through the engine, through the suspension, cleaning out the interior, and then of course stripping the entire car, doing a custom paint job, and then even going to the body shop to pick up all the little pieces that need to be replaced. So, not sure what just happened. Friday afternoon, and now we own 3 94 Land Cruisers.
Today we're going to strip it down, get it prepped for paint by removing most of the exterior trim. We removed most of the interior, all the door panels. We're also going to remove the seats so we could get it upholstered. So we're just trying to remove what we can, so it's less work on the body shop and also save us a little bit of money in labor wise. I want to give you a little overview of what we're going to be doing. I'm going to do a color change. We're also going to put a little lift on it, some wheels and tires, and it's kind of going to be our daily driver or just another car to cruise around in. Don't know why we have 3 of them, but I think they're really cool to drive. The gas mileage is a little debatable, but it makes it for the fun factor. This particular one is locked, front and rear. It's got stock radio, stock power seats up front, 3rd row seats. It also has a weird carbon overlay, which we're going to try to take off if we can. It actually has a cracked windshield, so we picked up the windshield from another Land Cruiser supplier. Let's get going on it. Hey, what's up, guys? Sorry, having a really late start today. Got caught up watching a little bit of football, and then got caught up watching the drone racing league, which is always a little bit interesting to me because I love RC stuff. So yesterday, while we were working, the battery had died on the recorder, so I didn't get a chance to record some of the stuff that I did yesterday. But for the most part, let me show you. We got door panels. Right now it's stacked on top of the CRX, unfortunately. Let's get through here. It's kind of gloomy today. Should have got an earlier start, like I said. But let me show you real quick what I did yesterday. We basically removed all the door panels. Removed all the molding sills. Removed all the side panels that would need to be removed to paint. Didn't really need to remove all the seat belts because that part's not getting painted. But right now I want to clean up some of the interior pieces that's kind of scattered around. And then we're going to start on the exterior. So right now, as you can see, these fender flares, they're kind of falling off, but I want to get that all removed. We're going to have to replace the rubber on all of them. Of course, we're going to take it, paint it. This end cap is damaged, so we actually have a replacement end cap as well. This end cap doesn't look so good either, so we'll replace that. Look, check out all the rubber is all cracked. So we're going to remove this. We're going to get this painted black. Move the door handles. Remove the antenna. It's busted. I think the mast is busted. The plastic gears is gone. So let's just get rid of that. And then we'll start removing some of the side steps. Get this stuff ready to paint. It's going to rain tomorrow, supposedly. So we're going to have to try to get as much done as we can today because we're planning to take this to paint after the first of the year. So after the first of the year, it's going to paint. We're excited to show you the color for it. So let's get right to work. So right now I'm going to remove the mud flaps from here. Just so we don't have to have it on when we take it to get painted. I had to get an extension because a ratchet, because this one's a little too tight to get with the impact. Best tools I ever owned as an installer. Check it out. Snap-on. And what it is antenna removal kit. Basically, it goes into these little keyholes, so you could take these antennas off. Typically, as a hack, you would just use some needle nose pliers, but with this one, you just put it into the hole. Luckily, this one's already a little loose. And you just unscrew it, and voila. We'll take the mast out because it's broken and see if we could find a replacement mast for it. I really like try to keep everything I take apart together. So right now I got a bunch of bags. With all the screws and such, and then I got a bin with all the interior parts. That way it's not getting banged around. It's also not getting dirty. Some of the bigger parts obviously won't be able to fit in here, but we'll do my best to try to keep everything contained. It's really dark right now, but we got a little bit done. Took the rear flares off, mud guards, the rubber piece for the side steps, front grille. There's a few more things I need to do. Windshield wipers need to come off. Maybe the door handles. Haven't decided on that yet, if we want to bring it to the shop with or without the door handles. Either way, these got to come off. The front flares would come off, but they're bolted from behind. It's a little easier since they're going to take the fenders off, that we could just remove it when we paint it. So I think that might be it for right now. We'll resume in a couple days, and hopefully we can show you what the color choice is. Hey guys, good morning and Happy New Year. Right now, we're getting ready to take the car to Louise's to get it painted. As you kind of can see in the back, you got most of the exterior parts taken apart, so it's easier for him to get started on it. We're giving him about 4 to 5 weeks so he can take his time on it, but hopefully we'll get it done sooner, but we'll see. But right now, I'm gonna warm up the car so it's nice and toasty. We'll get on the road. So one of the reasons why I love driving the Land Cruiser is, one, the seats sit really high, so the belt line's kind of low. And with the windows, the way they are, there's really no blind spots. So you can be high up above everybody else, but it doesn't have any blind spots like some of these modern cars that have these big old C pillars and A pillars and B pillars. So it obstructs a lot of the view. Not only that, the windows on this are very big, so you have all kinds of room to look around. And compare this to, like, let's say a Camaro, where you put the sun visor down, you can't see out your front window anymore. So the likes of driving this thing is a win, and it drives good. It's a little heavy for this engine. It's kind of a beast. All in all, I mean, check it out, man. Check that view out. Just cruise around, you can see everything. So it's pretty awesome. So it just dropped off the Land Cruiser. Luis isn't here, which kind of irks me. But here's our Uber driver. Uber back home. Kevin? Yes. Thank you. How you do this morning?
Good, how are you?
Good. Ah, nice and toasty.
Kind of cool out there?
Yeah, it's chilly. Alright, we just got home. Uber driver just dropped me off. So I just want to give a quick update. We dropped it off. Louise says it's going to take about 4 to 5 weeks to get it done. So we'll keep you in the loop of what we're going to do, the color, and all that fun stuff. So thanks for tagging along, and we'll catch you later. That's cool. Is it single stage or is it dual stage?
No, it's basic.
Yummy. Woo. smells good.
That shit's gonna look nice.
I know it is.
This fucking color is really nice.
I like it too.
See, the problem with that truck, it is gonna look badass, you know, because all the black trim.
Yeah, black trim and's got gray interior.
Yeah, fucking it's gonna look badass.
Yo, what's up guys? Thanks for watching this video. Our next video, we should have more of the paint. We should have some of the interior being put together and maybe some final assembly. There's a couple things still up in the air, whether we're going to leave it stock height or we're going to give it a little lift, but we're not quite sure yet. If you have any suggestions, go ahead and leave a comment below and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching and we will talk to you later.